Okay, this quick video is to show you how to make your graph in Google Sheets for the Crater Lab reflection. So you'll need to open up to the document in Google Sheets, put your independent variable with the unit in parentheses in the A column, put your dependent variable with the unit in parentheses in the B column, enter your data for the A column for your independent variable. Now, when you do column B for your dependent variable, the only thing you want to write are the averages. Do not do the trials 1, 2, and 3. This is only the averages. The last important thing is to make sure that there's no units here. Everything should be only numbers because the computer won't read units. So to go ahead and make your sheet, go over here to Insert Chart. Oh, sorry, first, my bad. Highlight everything. So you're going to drag it and slide it. Go over here to insert your chart. And you should see your chart should appear. What you'll need to do is retitle your chart. I'll show you how to do that. Go to Customize, Chart Axis and Titles. And if you want to put a new chart in, which should be the effect of IV on DV, here's where you'll actually customize it and you'll write what your IV was and your DV, okay? And you can see that it changed it right here immediately. If your X and Y axis don't come up for your labels, you'll need to go in and drop down and do the horizontal axis title or the vertical axis title. There's lots more options that you can use, but this should just get you started. When you're ready and you're happy with your graph, click the 3 dots. If you don't see them, you'll have to select somewhere inside the box. Copy the chart and either paste or Control V, and it should appear.